Students, next topic is social responsibility of management. Social responsibility of management means people and organization must behave ethically. See, every time organization have to think about others, not themselves. That is called it as ethically, and with sensitivity towards social, cultural, economical and environmental issue. See, whatever the business you people are doing, first of all you have to be think an eco-friendly business or not, whatever it may be. Is it going to be harmful to the social people? These kind of things, environment and animals, these kind of things you people have to be think about that. That is called it as social responsibility of management. Social responsibility ante మన మన వరల్డ్ ని కాపాడుకునేటట్లుగా మన బిజినెస్ ప్లానింగ్ అనేది ఉండాలి. ఎక్కడ ఏ ప్రాబ్లం రాకుండా, అదే చెప్తున్నారు, సోషల్ కల్చర్, మన కల్చర్ ఎక్కడ పాడవకూడదు, ఎన్విరాన్మెంట్ పాడవకుండా చేసే బిజినెస్ నే సోషల్ రెస్పాన్సిబిలిటీ ఆఫ్ మేనేజ్మెంట్ అనడం జరుగుతుంది. నెక్స్ట్, బిజినెస్ డిపెండ్స్ అపాన్ సొసైటీ ఫర్ మనీ, men, skills and market. Everybody know money plays a major role. Men means people are very important, as well as skills. See, without having the perfect skills, we can't able to work it on. Next one is market. We have to be think about that market should be large market or small market. Everybody have to be think. These are the overall social responsibility of management. Social responsibilities of business. Who are responsible? Me, society, employees, government, community, customers. Government are responsible. Evaru responsible andi? Customers, owner, employees, government. Okay, next. Responsibility towards society and community. Responsibility means employment of handicapped persons and weaker sections of community. See, you have to be very responsible that whatever the handicapped persons are there, weaker sections means so many backward areas are there, you have to be very responsible and do the business. Next one is environment protection. Environment means you should not use the plastic, avoid the plastic. These kind of business activities you have to be done. And pollution control. See, in the organization itself, the employees will have to be use the cycles, bicycles. Some organization employees will use the bicycles, they will not use the bikes, car, anything. This is the pollution control. Setting industry backward area. See, in cities already it was well established. In the backward area, if you are going to be establish the industries, the people will get the backward areas employment opportunity. You have to be think like that. That is the social responsibility. Providing relief to the victims on natural calamities. Natural calamity means hudhud. These kind of natural calamities are there. You have to be do some relief. So say for example, now corona time, everybody is giving the funds, 15 crores, 12 crores. Cricketers are giving, sports people, cine actors, these kind of people are giving some. Like that, organizations, industries also have to give some relief funds. This is the responsibility towards society and community. Means nothing but people. You have to be look after the people. Next one is responsibility towards owners. Owners means shareholder, they have to be increased. Fair return on investment. I am invested 10 crores. What is the return I am getting? Next, differences in the risk of business in different fields. See, different fields have the different risk. You have to be think about that. Shareholders can also expect appreciation in the value of their capital. Capital means investment. How much? See, payback period we are getting or not. I invested 10 crores. Is I am getting the 10 crores back with the interest or not? They have to be think. That is the responsibility towards owners. Towards government. Government means you have to pay the taxes in time. Executing government contracts means you have to be utilize the government contracts in the perfectly. Complying with all government regulations and legal requirements. See, whatever the regulations, legal requirements are there, you have to be compliant. Conduct business lawful manner. See, you should not do the business, drugs business, mafia business, these not. That you have to be done the business in a lawful, with ethical manner. That is called it as towards government. Towards employees. See, I draw this diagram. Employees means they have to be very unity. To provide healthy working environment. Healthy working environment means growing of trees, ventilation, food facilities, canteen facilities, this kind of thing. To grant regular and fair wages. See, according to my skill, talent, you people have to be provide the fair wages. Welfare services. Welfare means wealth is secondary, welfare is primary. If welfare is good, definitely wealth will come automatically. To provide the training and promotional facilities, employees should be good, get the good training. Definitely the organization would get the wealthy environment. Next one is to provide reasonable working standard. Every employee have to do the 8 hours work. So that is the standard working level you have to be maintained. Protect recognition of the employees. See, if the employee work very good, recognition should be there. Then only the organization will get the good amount of work. These are the overall social responsibilities of the management. Thank you.